Moralsiz, Demoralized, Dispirited. Moralsiz, moralsiz olma, yeneceğiz. Don't be dispirited, we'll win. Moralsiz olma, yeneceğiz. Çok moralsiz görünüyorsun. You look so demoralized. Çok moralsiz görünüyorsun. Bugünlerde insanlar çok moralsiz. People are so dispirited these days. Bugünlerde insanlar çok moralsiz. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.